Hey, what's up everyone? If you've updated your Nvidia graphics driver to version 580.97 and you open Battlefield 6, and under Upscaling Technique you can only see NIS and FSR, but DLSS is missing. Don't worry, I'll show you exactly how to fix it. First, close Battlefield 6 completely. Open the Start menu and type Control Panel, then click to open it. Click Uninstall a program. Find your Nvidia graphics driver in the list, right-click it, and select Uninstall. Confirm by clicking Yes and wait for it to finish. Do the same for the Nvidia app. Right-click, select Uninstall, confirm, and let it complete. Once both the driver and Nvidia app are removed, restart your PC. Step 3. Open your browser and go to the official Nvidia website. Select your graphics card model and your operating system. Click Find, then download driver 580.97. Run the .exe file you just downloaded. During the installation process, uncheck the option that says NVIDIA Graphics Driver and NVIDIA App. Leave only NVIDIA Graphics Driver checked. Click Agree and Continue. Choose Custom, Advanced, then click Next. Check the box for Perform a clean installation. Click Next and wait for the process to finish. When done, restart your PC. Step 5. Verify DLSS is back. Launch Battlefield 6. Go to Settings, Graphics, Advanced Options. Under Upscaling Technique, you should now see DLSS available. That's it. If this tutorial helped you, please give the video a like and subscribe for more PC gaming fixes. Thanks for watching.